siren coming near the building in Hathaway Park. Oh, that's my cat. He goes crazy. The siren is somewhere all the way over there, near the park. So another siren just rose near over there somewhere. I need a cork. I'll try to cover the wind. So, the siren ambience is coming from the southwest Hathaway Park, and also the siren near somewhere over here, because those are the two nearest sirens near my house. So a siren just rose down. Okay, so the one in near the hall is still playing, and sorry guys, I'm cold. I'm not sure if you could hear, but there's still some. There goes the final one. So